Madam Noah Fiza, and to all my fellow friends. Today, in our subject Civil Material, DCC 10032, we will be presenting about Terengganu Drawbridge and the product produced by local wood. We are from Group 10 and have 4 members in the group, including myself. First of all, my name is Christian, and my other friends Muhammad Ruzani Bayun, Thaddeus, and also Luciana. In our content, we have 9 topics to discuss, and we will see in our diagram next to my slide. Firstly, I want to touch about the introduction Terengganu Drawbridge. Do you know that Terengganu Drawbridge is the first movable bridge in the Malaysia? The Terengganu Drawbridge applied hydraulic system in the bridge, so the bridge can move to upwards if the ship want to pass by. What is reinforcement concrete? So first of all, reinforced concrete is a composite material widely used in construction that combines the properties of concrete and steel to create a structurally sound and a durable material. So in Terengganu Drawbridge, a proposed bridge has pre-stressed concrete approach spans and twin leaf bascule span. This long bridge carries 4 travel lanes, sidewalks, and median barriers. These bridges are designed using concrete beams to provide a minimum under clearance of 2.2 meters to allow cars to be parked. This parking area will be utilized by the public to both enjoy the waterway as well as access to amenities at the bridge. In the movable span provides a navigation channel with infinite vertical clearance. The clearance under the bridge, when closed, is 12 meters. For this reason, it is important to simplify the construction as much as possible while maintaining the required functionality. The turniers are supported on towers within the enclosed bascule piers. These piers are supported by 1080. These piers are supported by drill shaft. These piers are supported by drill shaft. Since the alignment of the lift and machinery is very critical, a decision was made to use hydraulic cylinders to operate the spans. The alignment requirement for these cylinders is more forgiving than for traditional mechanical gearing. So we go to the towers. The signature features of the bridge are the towers and the public space created by the connecting structure, Skybridge. Uh, right. Okay. The tower actually replicate the minarets of mosque and provide a Malaysian version of the Tower Bridge in London. The Skybridge public space is between each pairs of towers. Elevators are provided to access the Skybridge space as well as stairs for emergency evacuation. The Skybridge space the Skybridge spaces are two stories. The Skybridge spaces are 2 stories, allowing food preparation and HVAC equipment to be located below the public space. Both the north and south approach span roadways have been widened to provide a drop-off and loading lane for visitors to bridge.
Hello, my name is Teddy Celista Vilio. So for my part, I will explain what concrete transportation and batching plan mean on the construction site. So firstly, concrete transportation is where we will transport freshly made concrete to the construction site. Meanwhile, batching is the process of preparing concrete that will be transported to the construction site. Alright, now that we know what concrete transportation and batching plan are, so let's dive into the type of concrete transportation to the construction site. Firstly, we have ready-made concrete trucks. What is concrete truck? Alright, a concrete truck is a vehicle that transports freshly processed concrete from the batching plant to the construction site. It has a drum at the back to ensure that the transported concrete remain in a workable state, continuously mixing as it travels to the construction site. So, next, we have concrete pumps. So, how does concrete pump move the mixed concrete to the construction site? It's simple. The concrete pump uses a system of pipes or hoses to distribute the concrete to the location that are difficult to reach or at higher elevation. Additionally, on a smaller site or small project, may also have their own mixers. This mixer contains a blend of cement, aggregate, and water right at the project location.
My name is Lucena. Right now I will present about method of concrete curing. Curing is the process or operation which control the loss of moisture from concrete after it has been placed in position or in the manufacture of concrete product. To be providing time for the hydration of the cement to occur. Since the hydration of cement does take time, day and even week rather than hour, curing must be undertaken for some specific period of time if the concrete is to achieve its potential strength and durability. Curing may also accomplish the control of the temperature, since this effect the rate of which cement hydration. Method of concrete curing. Number 1 is water curing. The application of the water is done to avoid the drying of the concrete surface. Usually this method applies when the concrete is tiny. For example, in building construction, the curing of the floor slab can be done with this method. There are 2 methods to apply the water on concrete. Number 1 is molding the concrete. Number 2 is use sprinklers to spray water continually. Method of concrete curing number 2 is foam work. Is the most effective occurring agent in the construction, especially in thick concrete where the hydration temperature is high. This method is used. Method of concrete curing number 3 is hot mixing method. An increase in the temperature of the concrete is done to extend the strength of the concrete. Raising the temperature of the concrete up to 3020 Celsius could extend the strength by 10% until 20%. Since the concrete gets strength early, this method can use in a situation where it is required early strength. Further, the formwork can be removed early with the gain of the strength of early. There are several methods that can be used to increase the temperature of the concrete. Number 1 is increase the temperature of aggregate by heating. Number 2 is heat the water. Number 3 is injecting into the concrete mix.
Hi, my name is Rozaini Bayun bin Muhammad Izam, matrix number 20DKA 23F1077. The concrete casting process step by step. First, preparing the formwork. The first step in the concrete casting process is to prepare the formwork, or the mold that will hold the wet concrete until it hardens. The formwork must be properly designed to create the desired shape and finish of the final product. Second, mix the concrete. The next step is to mix the concrete, which involves combining cement, water, and aggregate such as sand and gravel in the appropriate proportion. The concrete is typically mixed using a concrete mixer or by hand. Third, placing the concrete in the formwork. Once the concrete is mixed, it is placed in the formwork using a variety of methods, including hand shoveling or pumping. The concrete is typically placed in layers, with each layer being compact to remove air pockets and ensure a strong and durable final product. 4. Finishing the surface. After the concrete is placed in the formwork, it is typically smoothed and finished to achieve the desired surface finish. This can be done using a variety of tools, such as trowels, skids, and floats. 5. Curing the concrete. The concrete is then allowed to cure or harden, which typically takes several days. During the curing process, the concrete must be protected from extreme temperature fluctuation and kept moist to ensure proper curing. Lastly, removing the formwork. Once the concrete has cured, the formwork can be removed to reveal the final product. The formwork is typically dismantled and the materials are used or disposed of appropriately. The concrete casting process is an essential part of the construction industry, as it allows for the creation of a wide range of structure and products using concrete. Proper execution of each step is crucial to the success of the project and the quality of the final product.
So we go to product produced from local wood. In Malaysia, we have kayu maranti and also kayu merbau to produce some of the local woods. Maranti woods can produce a strong dough. Other than that, maranti woods can produce plywood. Moreover, Merbau's wood can be used as a timber decking to make a beautiful floor. Secondly, Merbau also can be produced to engineered wood product comprising a number of layers of dimensional lumber bonded together with durable, moisture-resistant structural adhesive. So this is our reference, and that's all from us. Thank you.